Are you looking for a home that's big enough for your whole family, including your mother and father, and maybe your sister and brother-in-law and their kids? My name's Ruth Ann Osborne with RE/MAX Preferred, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to 3987 Wildwood Crescent. This home is walking distance to shopping, schools, right across the street from Wildwood Park. That's okay, make sure you guys wave. There we go. It's a great location close to daycares as well. You can't miss out on that. You're right around the corner from EC Row, where you can jump on and go to the United States of America, or get on the 401 and travel to London or the GTA. Once inside, you're gonna find an extremely large and very spacious 5-bedroom home, equipped with 3 bathrooms on the inside, and also an extra half bath outside that goes along with the gorgeous in-ground pool. Inside your home, you have 4 bedrooms upstairs with a very large master bedroom that also has an ensuite and a giant walk-in closet. Downstairs, you have an extra bedroom as well as a wet bar that could easily be turned into a separate kitchen, as well as there's a great entrance from the garage if you wanted to maybe put your family in the basement and have 2 separate areas, or maybe live upstairs and make some money renting out the basement. This home has everything that you need as well for entertaining, barbecuing in the backyard on the hot Windsor days, have your family and friends over, sitting on the porch and just enjoying everything that this gorgeous neighborhood and area in Windsor has to offer. For more information on this gorgeous home, give me Ruth Ann Osborne a call, 226-782-4493, and I'll get you through for a private tour.